here in Capitol Reef, Utah. Going to hike to the Navajo Knobs, Rim Overlook. I'm gonna skip the Hickman Bridge. I've done that trail last year. Let's go. So the first stop is Rim Overlook, 1.9 miles from the parking area. A steep climb, I think, of about 1,000 feet. It's not too bad. Made it to the Rim Overlook. It's pretty windy up here. Let's take a peek. Nice. Here's the campground where I stayed last night in Fruta. Holy shnikes. And we continue with the trail. It's still pretty windy up here. I don't think it will change much. So what I like about Capitol Reef is this park is never really busy. I only saw 2 people this morning on this trail. A couple from Switzerland. So my guess now is that this must be Navajo Point. We'll find out. We have probably 1.5 miles to go, maybe a little further. This seems to be my favorite part so far. We're in the shade, slight downhill section, beautiful views. Found this giant arch here. It's beautiful. It's not even on the map. I wonder why. Still on a trail, following those rock piles. I know I look like a total dork right now, but Keeps me protected from the sun. So this is a Navajo knob right there. Oh, I think I should be almost at my destination. I think at the top right there, that should be it. Back there's the scenic drive. Visitor center. This road takes you to the west. I believe it's Highway 24. And I think behind this section is Chimney Rock. It's a hike I did last year. And I'm gonna work my way back again. Yep. This would actually make for a really comfortable shelter. It would fit easily 3 adults. And you get this view. Just so cool, these little rock formations. I mean, it's little, but it looks neat. You can just never get enough of these views. Finally back in the shade. There's a cool breeze. It feels really good. Same views as earlier, just different sunlight. One last view of the side of the mountain. Going to climb up this little big rock, the little and the big rock. This might just break off if I hold on to this. Alright, now we have a nice view from up here. Back to the Rim Overlook. I have a little over 2 miles to go. I think I see the parking area in the distance. This was totally unexpected. It's pretty awesome. So many scenic views, it's just like, just keep taking pictures and videos. Capitol Reef, it's totally worth it in my book. These black rocks, they kind of look like lava rocks. But lava rocks are usually not this in this shape or this big. So these, I'm sure, just turned color from fires, from past fires. Down below the trail to Hickman Bridge. I think I'm only like half a mile of that away from the parking lot. Last few steps to the parking